So we've got a normal rectangle and then a rectangle with two pieces removed. And we want to know the difference in the perimeter and the area. Let's start with the area. That's probably the easiest one. We need to know this distance here. And looking at the difference between the two dimensions, the 12 and the 16, that must be 4. And we need this one as well. Comparing the 10 and the 9, that tells us that that distance there is 1. So the first area is 4, and this area in here is 3. The difference in area is 7. Now when you think about the difference in perimeter, and if you imagine that this is a sort of a fence that's being built all the way around, how much fence do we need to get from this one to this one? Well, looking at the first part, if I took this piece of fence here and I moved it across, I'd end up with a piece of fence there. And if I took a piece of fence from here and I moved it down, I'd end up with a piece of fence there. Have I had to put in any extra fence? No. So the answer, well, the difference between those two places is 0 in the perimeter. Now let's go to the other part that's been removed. If I took this piece of fence here and I moved it up to the top, I could put it up there. But let's choose a different color. These two here, they are brand new pieces of fence. I can't take them from here because there's no fence there. So that extra piece of fencing is 6 because it's 3 times 2. So the difference in perimeter is actually quite simple in the end, because you ignore the corner, but you factor in just those two parallel sides that are yellow.